Hey everyone, this is June from Turning Point Life Investment, and this is your market analysis for November 6, 2010. Okay, last week I mentioned that the market was pretty indecisive, and it basically meant that it can either do one or the other, either go up or go down simply because it was in such a tight range. And so this week we had a pretty tremendous week for the bulls. The market managed to break above a new high, a new 2010 high above this previous resistance. So that's a pretty interesting or remarkable feat for the bulls to do. But you can't deny the fact that this market is rather stretched out, considering where it's at in relation to its moving averages. Notice how far it is away from the moving average, and that's actually considered pretty significant, given that as far as upside, it doesn't get that far away from the moving averages. I can understand it from the downside, but upside we rarely see it that far away. And also, if you were to put on the Bollinger Bands, at least from my prior experience, I don't think I've ever seen SPY close that high above the Bollinger Bands before. So that's telling you that this market is pretty darn stretched out for the time being, and that we can use a little bit of a rest coming into next week. So as far as support, all you can do is just look for where the next support level is. The logical spot will be to come back and retest this prior April high as support. But you can see there's a pretty decent sized gap here, almost over $1 wide between 120 and 121 and a quarter. So I would look for this area as some pretty strong support area right there. And also that allows this moving average to come up and meet it, probably right around there. So that would be a decent play for the market to kind of allow this extreme bullishness to kind of work itself out.